Hi! My hair is wet because I took a shower after going to the gym. It's not because it's sweaty. That was just me throwing in that I went to the gym. Are you proud, Mom? As long as I can remember, I never bought Halloween costumes out of a package. I was never the little candy corn girl. I was never the ragdoll girl. I was never the sexy Disney princess ripoff that they couldn't call the Little Mermaid, so they called it like the little fish girl or some shit. I always just made my own costumes, or my mom helped me make costumes, shout out to Gail. Whether it was Walt Disney, or Dracula, or Moses, maybe Jesus, we're kind of unsure. I always did homemade costumes, because it's so fun. I also apparently always dressed as guys, but you know, that's okay. So I decided to show you a bunch of costumes that you can do on your own with your closet. Some of them are stupid, and some of them are, really stupid. So without further ado, welcome to your Halloween costume 2018. Pick one, you have to. The first costume is the original horse girl, the cowgirl. You can do this look by pretty much wearing anything that has fringe on it. This dress is from the designer Penelope Gazin from Fashion Brand Co. I'll link that in the description. And I just thrifted this cowboy hat from Goodwill. If you're in my generation, you probably remember your first problematic addiction being the video game The Sims. This costume is easy to do, just attach a green diamond to a straw and attach that to a headband. To act like a realistic Sim, also make sure you're unable to walk around walls and constantly be preparing an autumn salad. This one is perfect for your toddler's first Halloween. Roadkill! I made my body the road, and then I put a comically large bunny on me as the kill. This Halloween, why dress up as a sexy Playboy bunny when you can have a dead one hanging from your chest? Dress like a dad on the top, wear fishnets on the bottom, and you are a daddy longlegs. Ladies, confuse all the boys by making them strangely attracted to their fathers. Wear pajamas, smudge your mascara, eat ice cream, and you're someone going through a breakup. This can also be a group costume if you just get a bunch of girls who aren't crying to follow you around saying, "You're way too good for him, Tammy." And sure, you can be a slutty cat, or even a cool cat, but why not be something more original with your cat ears? Like Professor McGonagall transforming from a cat into a witch. The best way to show that you're McGonagall mid-cat shapeshift transition is to really commit to the action of shapeshifting into a cat. So just do this everywhere. Yeah. I love Robin Williams, so I had to do Mork from Mork and Mindy by just wearing a rainbow sweater with suspenders and jeans. Make sure you don't do this, because it does hurt your nipples. If you liked 2006, you are the only person who likes 2006. You also will probably like this costume of an angsty 2006 band member. So why do good girls like bad guys? I have this question. All you have to do is wear a black wig and be too much. Wear a big blue fuzzy coat and cry and you're a rain cloud, or a woman who thinks she looks fat in pastels. And sure, you can be a slutty schoolgirl or even a nerdy schoolgirl, but what if instead you were a schoolgirl who was secretly an undercover detective? This is a great costume for any parties you might go to that might have underage drinking or drug use. Stick to your guns and do the right thing. Everyone's gonna have a great time. And last but not least, naked and afraid. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still watching, that means you made it to the end. So congratulations, you made it to the end. There's no prize. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below if you've ever made a homemade costume and what you did.